me about my book. I'm going to read till I can't read no more. Whee!
Where's Grandpa now?
We left him at the train station.
He's probably in the bathroom. Bye, John! Adios, amigos!
And then there he is running.
Hey!
Oh, there's the grandkids. Oh, there's the bathroom. He's still in there. I'm going to record this one. Let's see how long he's in there. Oh, God, it's been, 20 minutes now? They're going to set off the gas alarm when he comes out. I told you to lay off them beans. Gosh. Any minute now, he's going to come flying out of that bathroom door. I know it. And set off that gas alarm again. This happened twice when we went on the train. Any minute now. My gosh. It's taking so long in that bathroom. Oh, whatever. I'm sick of this now. I'm going to look at the view. Wait until the gas alarm goes off. If it does, I don't know.
And if you see anybody walking on the train tracks, you can spit at them. It's always been an old contest.
Ooh.
Ever since we were kids.
Oh, yeah, I remember them days. That was fun.
Just spitting on people on the railroad track.
And they're going, hey, it's raining. Hey, it's raining.
Oh, look, there's Grandma.
Oh, she took off the tablecloth again. Oh, brother. You're wearing the tablecloth as a blanket, Emma. Take it off. Slow motion. Yeah, she's taking a nap. Why don't you wake up, Emma? Jeez. Sitting there, I'm doing it slow motion. Take a picture of the hamburger. Still wearing the tablecloth again, huh? Why don't you take off the dang tablecloth? Shut up! Just leave me alone with that. It's nice. I like this tablecloth.
It's nice and soft.
I'll look at the view then. Maybe I'll bug her some more about that dang tablecloth she's wearing. You're wearing the tablecloth, Emma. You're wearing the tablecloth. So, I like it. No, leave me alone. Bug me about the tablecloth all day. Golly. You just drive me nuts, John. Why don't you go sit in the bathroom? I'm thinking about it. It's right in my view. I might as well hang out in there for a while. It's much more entertaining than sitting next to you any day. So, I ain't gonna look at you. Watching the view. Watching the view. It's quite a view. And the grandkids walk along the deck. Oh boy.
Oh, look, there's Grandma.
Wait for me.
Oh, yeah. Quit messing with that, Emma. Quit messing with. I don't know what it is, and I want to know what it is. I'll just quit messing with it.
I thought it was a parking meter.
I put money in there. We're parking, ain't we? The dang train stopped. It ain't our car, though. Hurry up, Uncle Ben. Get on that dang train. Okay, he's in, and there
You call that running?
Oh,
The
that's
door's
the
right
door.
here,
Get
dummy.
Get in it. Go on. Get in there. Uncle John and all the rest of the yahoos. Come on.
The slowest family. They're always the last on the train.
Oh, no. Boom. Run into you, Emma. Ha, ha, ha. Ha, ha, ha. You're always picking on me, John. I'm sick and tired of this.
Another train.
Another train in my pain. Why don't you shut that camera off? Jeez. Always filming me looking out the window. Whoopee! Oh, brother. I got a nice view right here. Woo! Bunch of trains. Oh,
And graffiti.
God. And graffiti. Oh, God bless them, I tell you. I wish they'd quit spray painting all the trains everywhere. Oh, look out this window. What the heck? Better looking at her any day.
There's McDonald's arches. We gotta go see it.
Yeah, I already ate McDonald's. That's why I'm using the bathroom again. Oh, which door is it, though? I can't remember which door. Oh, God. Oh.
Maybe it's the one with the mop bucket.
Here's a door. You can use this one. It's the outdoor. To
Don't
go to
push
the
him. Oh, he pushed us out. Look at it. He's smiling about it.
bathroom.
Fine, we'll find a place right here.
Oh, they finally made it home, I guess.